Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Tiffany Alexander, and I'm the coordinator of Student Transition for the Office of Student Success. Today, I'm going to show you how to select your classes and go in Banner to complete your course request form. First, you want to pull up your course request form and highlight the courses that you have already taken and have received the A, B, C, or a pass in, and highlight the courses you are currently in now. After you have done so, you will find that you have courses that are left in white. The courses that are not highlighted are the courses that you want to put on your course request form. Now you want to go to your course request form and write in the department number or course or subject, the course number, which is the 3-digit number after the subject, the title of the course, and the number of credit. We are going to now go into Banner self-service by going into my.desu.edu, clicking on Banner self-service, put in your username and your PIN number, click Login, scroll down to where it says Registration, click Dynamic Course Schedule, select the next semester or the semester where you will be taking courses. In this case, we will be selecting Spring 2022. Click Submit. After you click Submit, you want to select the subject. In this case, we will be selecting English because it is listed on the course request form. We are also going to put in the course number, which is 123. You are then going to scroll down to Class Search. After you go to Class Search, you will see this screen. When you see this screen, you will see the title, which is Rhetoric and Speech, the CRN number, which is the 5-digit number after the title, which is 31606, and then you will also see the course subject, which is ENGL, and the course number, which is 123. At the end of the title and the course number, you have the 2-digit section number. Also, you want to pay attention to the days that the classes are taken, which is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and the time, 12 to 12:50 p.m. After you have noted this information, you want to go back to your course request form, fill in the CRN number, which is the 5-digit number after the title, 31606. You're then going to fill in the section number, which is the 2-digit number after the title, 01. Then you're going to put in the days, which is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And then you put in the time, 12 to 12:50. You are going to repeat this process till you have 15 credits or more. After you are done, you are going to submit this course request form to your advisor. Thank you and have a wonderful day.